Please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
I do.
All right, ma'am. Miss Viola, please identify yourself and your relationship to the child.
Did you say Miss Flolo?
Yes.
I'm Molly's mother, and my name is Tara Danielle Flolo.
All right. Sarah, please identify yourself and your relationship to the child.
I'm the father of Molly Ferguson,
In your name.
Michael Ferguson.
All right. And ma'am, also you, please identify yourself and your relationship to the child.
I'm Barbara Little's dad and grandmother,
On his father's side or his mother's side?
father's side.
I'm sorry. You broke up.
Father's side.
Father's side, okay. And representing the state of Texas?
Luis Regla.
All right. Got an original petition and a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. We're having a hearing. Do we have any stipulations?
Yes, Judge. We have some stipulations.
All right, let's read those into the record.
Yes, Judge. The grandmother, father, and mother have agreed that the grandmother will continue to be the sole managing conservator, that each of the father and mother will continue to be possessory conservators, that each of the father and mother will get the standard possession order. The parties essentially have their own working agreement in addition to the standard possession order, so we'll just leave that in place. The child is on Medicaid. Both parties have agreed for the child to continue to be on Medicaid. The father is receiving SSA, Social Security right now, and so his child support and medical support will be at $0. The remaining disagreement, Judge, is whether the mother will have child support and medical support and retroactive child support assessed against her.
All right, let's proceed.
Thank you, Judge. At this point in time, I call the mother. What is your full name?
Tara Danielle Flolo.
Okay. And so let's talk about your current financial situation. Right now, are you working?
No, sir.
Okay, and why is that? What's happening?
I'm a patient at MHMR, and I'm under a doctor's orders to not work right now. On the 22nd, I'm meeting with my advocate to help me get my disability. I was trying on my own and I couldn't figure it out. And my mama told me, just ask your doctor. So I'm going through them.
Okay. How long has that been pending? Do you know?
What, the disability?
Yes, yes.
I just started with them, I don't know, about a month ago. I had been trying on my own for a while, but the Social Security and my name wasn't matching up. You got to log in. You can't go down there because of the COVID, so I couldn't get in.
So that's my question. How long ago do you think you first started applying for disability? Do you remember when that started?
Trying to apply or actually getting it going? Trying to apply?
Yes.
Before this even started.
Okay, so again, I'm asking you, when was that? When do you think that was?
I don't know, about 7 months. I'm not sure, so I can give you an exact.
Okay. Well, let's talk about the retroactive child support time period. Since June of last year, have you worked?
No, sir.
Okay. And you have one other child living in your home, is that correct?
My mother has custody of him. I don't have custody. Oh, my son Benjamin, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. And your son Benjamin, how old is he?
He'll be 3 in February.
Okay, so then for sure, at least since June of last year, your son Benjamin has been living with you, is that correct?
Yes, since he was born, he's lived with me.
Okay. And regarding this retroactive child support time period. During this time, you've already said you were not working, but you believe a claim has been pending since that time?
What claim?
Your disability claim, your application for
Roughly,
disability.
yeah, since we started this court. I haven't worked in years.
Okay, so as far as child support or medical support going forward, you object to using minimum wage for that, and you object to retroactive child
Yes.
support being based on minimum wage, correct?
I mean, I just don't see how that's fair when I had no income. I'm kind of confused on this, and then I'm under a doctor's order. I'm confused on how.
Okay. So what I propose setting child support at minimum wage at 189, medical support at 57, backwards child support based on minimum wage of 3,781 at a monthly payment of $69 a month. You object to all of those, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I would like to. Yes.
Okay. Judge, I'll pass this witness.
Go play.
All right, Mr. Ferguson, do you have any questions of Ms. Flolo?
Mike David.
No, sir, I don't.
All right, Ms. Middlestead, do you have any questions of Ms. Flolo?
Do you have any questions to ask Tara? No, I don't.
Okay. Mr. Regla, any other witnesses?
No, you're the father, Judge. I call the father at this time.
All right.
Mr. Ferguson, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Let's go see.
Okay, and you are currently receiving Social Security, correct?
Correct.
Okay, and how far back, to your best estimate, does it go that you are on either SSI or SSA?
How far back does it go?
How many years?
Since I was 49 years old, and I'm 60 now, so it's 11.
Okay, so for sure,
Almost
So for-
12 years. Almost 12.
Come on, get
okay.
in.
So since June of last year, at least since that time, you've been receiving Social Security, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And Judge, so as to the father, I'm going to request 0 in retroactive child support against the father because of his Social Security from June of
Okay.
last year through today's date.
Okay, well, that's not an issue, right? That's
Sure.
agreed, correct?
I just wanted to put that as one of the stipulations I forgot to mention when I read the stipulations, Judge.
All right. That is a stipulation though, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
And with that, I have nothing further, Judge.
Ms. Flolo, do you have any questions of Mr. Ferguson?
No, sir.
Ms. Milstead, do you have any questions of Mr. Ferguson?
No, sir.
All right, the court, ma'am, you're under the doctor's care and have a disability. What type of disability are they claiming?
I'm a mental health patient, so it would be not the physical disability, but the mental. I take an antipsychotic medication. Come on, get on the swing. I'm
All
sorry.
right,
I'm trying
court
not to-
orders to pay, for a mother to pay $0 for child support and cash medical support, no retro child support judgment awarded against the mother. All other stipulations are approved.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
All they do is just go to jail.